Good morning, class 10th. It's been a quite long time we have our biology class. It's so good to see you all together here after a short break of no classes. So today we are going to start with the new chapter in biology, that is structure of chromosomes, cell cycle and cell division. See, this is a long chapter and the chapter is being divided into two sections. In the first section, you will study about structure of chromosomes and everything else about chromosomes which you need to know. And in the second part of this chapter, you will be studying about the cell division and cell cycle. Okay, so you all must have heard about chromosomes. Yes, we are what are genes. We basically inherit the characters from our parents, and similar, all the siblings are similar. So everything, every property which we possess is because of our genes. And where are these genes located? Genes are actually located on the chromosomes. So let us first start with the chromosomes only. Chromosomes were first studied in the animal cells by Walter Fleming. Okay, then comes the definition. For the board's point of view, you need to remember the definition word by word. So according to your book, the definition is chromosomes are highly coiled and condensed chromatin fibers in a non-dividing cell when observed under electron microscope. See, understand, it is only visible under electron microscope, not the general microscope can visualize the chromosomes. The chromosome appear to be very long, thin, darkly stained fibers. Okay, now where are these actually present in your body? Where can you find the chromosomes? Chromosome is present in each and every cell of the body. Where in the cell now? In the cell, you have already studied about the nucleus. Inside the nucleus there is the nucleoplasm, and the chromosomes are in the form of threads which are freely floating in the nucleoplasm. You can see here in this diagram, cell and then the nucleus, and inside the nucleus are the chromosomes, and chromosomes are made up of DNA. Okay, so DNA is the basic information storer. So DNA is, the thread of DNA is supercoiled in the form of chromosomes, and chromosomes are again supercoiled and present in the nucleus floating. Clear? Moving forth, if you see the structure of a cell, we can find out that chromosomes, see here in this structure, in the cell the nucleus is present in the center, and you can see some of the chromosomes floating in the nucleoplasm. Can you all see? Yes. Okay, let's understand what is chromatin. Chromatin, each chromosome contains one long DNA molecule with many proteins called histones. So chromatin is basically the condensed form, the condensed supercoiled dark stained thread-like structure which are floating in the nucleoplasm. We call it as chromatin. What is chromatin made up of? Chromatin is made up of two substances, a long thread of DNA, and these DNA threads are coiled on a protein called as histones. The complex of DNA and protein is called the chromatin. Okay, so this is an important point here, that chromatin contains a long DNA molecule with many histone proteins, and above these histone proteins the DNA is coiled. So the chromatin has about 40% DNA. The full form of DNA you should remember, that is deoxyribonucleic acid, and about 60% of the histones. Histones are the proteins. They are structure proteins which are binding the DNA threads together without getting entangled. Now coming on to the molecular structure of DNA. The shape of the DNA molecule was first studied by Rosalind Franklin in 1950. 3. However, the structure was finally worked out by Watson and Crick in 1953, and they called it as the double helical structure of DNA, and for this they were awarded the Nobel Prize also in the year 1962. Okay, so what is being depicted here, that a single DNA molecule is very large and hence it is called as a macromolecule. Macro means big, molecule is a molecule. So macromolecule. We generally call the DNA as a macromolecule. Now each single DNA is composed of nucleotides. This question comes particularly in boards. What are DNA made up of? So DNA is made up of nucleotides.